Located in the interior of Sao Paulo, facing a preserved forest, this 1,200 square meters house was created to take advantage of the landscape and the terrain. The La Dinda house was the client's dream, who experienced every stage of the project and construction. It is a single-story house and, therefore, was built slightly below ground level, ensuring privacy and a stunning view. After passing through a facade with a lot of volumes, the resident is already faced with the view of the living room, a beautiful wide landscape, like a painting, and sees above the treetops. The residents enjoy Uruguay very much, especially the Atacama region, so the arid environment and colors were references for the entire house. The combination of natural materials such as stone and wood was the palette used in the internal environments and even in the coatings. Without an upper floor and with all integrated environments, it has a U-shaped format and surrounds the leisure area that joins the preserved area, which will always be there. The social and intimate parts are facing the same space. Two winter gardens divide the extremes of the house, leisure area, and intimate area. The kitchen has a polished natural stone slab on the countertop with gray joinery. The monochromatic effect appears a lot in the office's projects. The tone-on-tone is always preserved. In the dining room, the brises bring the light and shadow effect, and the stone accompanies the environment. The black inverted baseboard forms a slight frame that accompanies the entire house. The gourmet space is composed of a large island to integrate the family and joinery in shades of gray. The leisure area was planned to offer several possibilities of social environments, with a different view from each one. A pergola is a highlight and was created to ensure the union of the two sides of the house. In addition, it plays the role of a large frame for the living room view. The infinity pool has the darkest covering and brings harmony to the aged wood deck. The steps to access the leisure area seem suspended and stand out in the lighting. The entire house is surrounded by a metal structure and glass doors, ensuring integration and adequate lighting for each space. In the internal social area, a wooden block that stands out on the Molito stone wall brings a spacious bathroom and a complete home theater. 7 suites with a closet and 2 bathrooms each complete the intimate area of the house, also with a view of the treetops. Here's a look at the plan. The balconies are surrounded by benches facing the landscape. In addition to central air conditioning, the house was designed to be sustainable, with photovoltaic energy and irrigation with reused water. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.